Working with finite element analysis and have a TP0 file from a meshing tool. This is an output file from a specialized 3D mesh generation application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening these TrueGrid output files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult TP0 files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. TP0. Files are output files generated by TrueGrid, a 3D mesh generation software used in computational engineering and finite element analysis. They contain mesh data node coordinates, element connectivity material assignments, and boundary conditions for FEA simulations. TP0. Files store TrueGrid mesh data in a structured format, including node lists with XYZ coordinates, element definitions, referencing nodes' material property identifiers and boundary condition tags. The format integrates with FEA Solvers, like LS-DYNA ABAQUS and ANSYS through translation modules. Historically, the main tool for managing the TP0 type has been TrueGrid by XYZ Scientific Applications. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. To unlock the specific TP0 file, right-click your file and select Open With. If TrueGrid is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the TP0 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here's a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the TP0 file is refusing to open. First, opening in TrueGrid. Install TrueGrid from XYZ Scientific Applications and launch the program. Use File, then open or read to load the TP0 file. TrueGrid displays the mesh in its 3D viewer, where you can inspect, rotate, and modify the mesh before exporting to FEA Solver formats. Next, importing into FEA Solvers. Convert TP0 files to LS-DYNA keyword ABAQUS input or ANSYS format using TrueGrid's export functions. Most FEA preprocessors don't read TP0 directly, so the conversion step is essential. Once exported, import the converted file into your solver of choice. Finally, viewing in Mesh Tools. For visualization without TrueGrid, export the mesh to a neutral format like Nastron bulk data or universal, then open in ParaView, GMSH, or HyperMesh. These tools provide free or commercial mesh inspection capabilities for verifying TrueGrid output quality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.